What's up? Just smells so good, nation. Look, man, last year was a great year, and I hope your year is doing well. See, I've been in my new year since 6 months ago, so I'm still running all fumes, baby. Look, I'm making a new course this year, right? I want to know if anyone wants to accept the challenge of it, right? It's called the Flea Market Money. Make money from flea market, garage sales, and storage units. If you are interested in that kind of form of income to bring up your cash flow, no quick fix, just hard work, make this money, the course will be available. Down below is going to be a link that shares the information for you to get started. But I also want your comments to see if this is what you want to do. So please make a comment and share, and go to Just Smells So Good 1 and subscribe. Peace. YouTube.